Hello everybody, in today's video we're going to be making a calculator. Now before we make our calculator, let's actually see the end result. Okay, what would you want to do? What would you like to do? Okay, addition, 12, 13, 25. Now let's go on to making it. The first step is making your sprite. You could go on to upload a sprite, or you could just choose a sprite. But I uploaded a sprite. Now let's begin. But before we begin, I would like to say that I will be explaining the code after we make it. Now, when flag is clicked. Now before anything, go on to variable, make variable, first number, second number, and result. When you have them, to hide them from being on the screen above here, unclick the tags or the ticks. Now, go on to sensing, ask. Go ahead and write what would you like, addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. Then go on to control forever. Then grab yourself a if then and go on to operating or operators. Go ahead and grab this block. Click on sensing and answer equals to addition, for example. Now, the first step is doing ask, sensing, ask, give me a number. Then go ahead onto variables, set first number, go on to sensing, and answer. Now, duplicate those two blocks. Duplicate this block. Wait a minute. Okay, just now do second number. Here we are. Then we are going to do, go into variables again, set. This time we're going to go on result. Then operators, grab the addition, take my first number and second number, then go on to looks, say, then take variables, grab results, click on here, 4 seconds. Now drag that out, duplicate it. You might want to zoom out for this step. Duplicate 4 times. Here's our last time. Duplicate until we have 4. Put them into the forever loop, each and every one of them, so we don't take time. Now, zoom in. If answer is subtraction, then take first number and second number out, delete this block, go on to operators again, do subtraction, so the equation is subtraction, then put them in, then here do multiplication, oops,